If you love watching Turkish series in which male lead is a playboy, also it has romance, so I'll be sharing part 1 list of these Turkish series which you must binge watch. Also, I'll be sharing some glimpse of my day. So currently I'm having my tea, just done with my breakfast. So yeah, let's begin. So the first one is Kiraz Mevsimi. In English we say Cherry Season. It's one of my personal favorite series. I love the chemistry between the main leads. So it's a story of a girl OQ who has dreamed to become a fashion designer, as well as she is in love with the guy Mete since childhood. She has a dream to get married to him, but Mete is in love with someone else, so it breaks her heart completely. But there comes a twist where OQ gets into a fake relationship with Ayaz, who is the best friend of Mete. So that's very interesting thing to binge watch, and how this happened, for that you have to watch this series. So Ayaz is a rich playboy and OQ already hates him, so you'll get to see that enemies to lover vibes. Also in that fake relationship phase, she ends up falling in love with him, so you'll enjoy watching the comedy, romance and the beautiful chemistry. So overall it's a binge worthy series. Next is Adini Feriha Koydum. In English we say the girl named Feriha. I hope I pronounced it right, and my Turkish pronunciation is not so good, so please bear it with me. So this series is one of the popular romantic Turkish series. Also it's very emotional. So the story revolves around Feriha and Emir. Feriha belongs to a very poor family. On other hand, Emir belongs to a very rich family. Also he is a playboy. So what happens in this series is that Feriha gets a scholarship in a very prestigious university where she meets Emir. Also she ends up falling in love with him as well. But there comes a major twist where Feriha tells lies to everyone in college that she belongs to a very rich family. So she pretends to be a rich girl, which she is not. So this will bring lot of twists and turns in this series. Also you will enjoy watching the chemistry between Feriha and Emir, and it has lot of jealousy scenes as well. But the ending is not at all good. It shouldn't happen, but it happens in this series. So it has a very emotional end, but you need to watch this series. Overall it's a worth watching series. Okay, I'll be doing a makeup as I have to shoot for my Instagram content. So in that makeup time I'll be talking about the next one. Okay, I have moisturized my face, put on the foundation, concealer. Now I'll be putting on this MAC Compact. This is very old, so it's not clearly visible. So I'll be putting on this one. And now I'll be talking about the third one, which is Yal Chapkini. In English we say Golden Boy, and one of the popular recent Turkish series because of the amazing chemistry between Seyran and Ferit. They look so damn good together. Their chemistry is amazing, and this series has enemies to lover vibes, forced marriage and lot of jealousy scenes. So if I talk about the storyline, so Seyran belongs to a very conservative family and has a very strict father. On other hand, Ferit is a rich playboy, belongs to a very wealthy family. So what happens in this series is that Seyran is forced to get married to Ferit. So initially Ferit was supposed to marry Suna, who is sister of Seyran, but he chooses Seyran to get married and they end up getting married. So Seyran doesn't like Ferit at all, also what he did to her sister, so she hates him. But eventually after marriage they end up falling in love with each other. Also this series has lot of jealousy scenes, so especially if you're looking for some series which has high level of jealousy and the male lead is big time possessive, then it's a perfect choice to binge watch. And you'll enjoy watching their chemistry. Their chemistry is so damn hot. Also it has a very beautiful happy ending, so you must binge watch this one. Done with my face. Now I'll be putting a liner. So this is a Lakme Insta liner which I use, if you can see. So I'll be taking a mini break, then I'll be talking about the next one. So I have put on the liner, kajal. I'll be putting on the mascara as well. So where is my mascara? Okay, it's very embarrassing to show the mascara because it's not at all clean. So I use Too Faced mascara. I've already mentioned so many times in my previous video as well. So if you can see this. So I'll be putting on this, and we'll be talking about the fourth one, which is Ah Nerede. I hope I pronounced it right. So in English we say Over. Okay, this series is a very short series. So if you are looking for something short rom-com type of series, then you should watch this one. It's a cute love story of Ferit and Zehra, and I think that they have used this Ferit name for being a big time playboy. So in this series, you'll get to see that Ferit is a big time playboy. On other hand, Zehra is a very simple girl. She has dreamed to become a doctor and complete her education, which she is unable to do so. And Ferit, on other hand, is dating 3 girls at one time. So you have to see how they end up falling in love with each other, because there are two people who are completely opposite to each other. So you have to see that how their love story happens. Let me put on this mascara first, then I'll be talking about this series. Done with my mascara, let's move back to this series. So what I was saying, that because of Ferit actions, his parents forced him to move back to his hometown, and just to avoid going back to his hometown, he tell lie to his parents that he already has a girlfriend, and that is Zehra. So Zehra, on other hand, doesn't like Ferit at all, but she accepts this fake relationship offer. Why? For that you have to watch this series. So it has a slow burn romance, and it has enemies to lover vibes. Overall, it's a very cute series to binge watch. It has a very cute happy ending, but yes, this series is short. It should have more episodes. But anyhow, this series is very binge worthy, so you should watch this one. So now I'll be putting on the lipstick and will shoot for my Instagram content. So I'll be taking a break again. So after that, I'll be talking about the next one. Done with my shooting. Now I'll be having my lunch, and then I'll be talking about the next one. I'll be having chicken puff, and also I'll be watching this series Güler ve Gunalar. My favorite actress Cemre Basil is in this series. So currently I'm on the 9th episodes. I'm way behind it because I have so many other Turkish series to binge watch. So I'll be watching this one. Done with my lunch, and now I'll be talking about the next one, which is Afili Ashk. In English we say Love Trap. So this is a fun series to binge watch, and it has lot of comedy which will make you laugh so hard. So if you love watching comedy romance kind of a series, then you should watch this one. I mean, you can't miss this series. It's a fun series to watch. So the story revolves around Ayşe and Kerem. Kerem is a rich playboy, belongs to very rich family. He's not serious about his work life, and he always gets scolded by his father. On other hand, Ayşe is a very hardworking girl, very opposite to Kerem, but she's pressured by her 2 brothers who are very strict and conservative. So what happens in this series is that Ayşe brother forced her to get married to a person in her neighborhood. Also, her boyfriend also cheats on her. So just to stop this marriage, she gets into a contract marriage with Kerem. How? For that you have to watch it. So it has enemies to lover vibes, and also eventually after marriage they both end up falling in love with each other. And you'll enjoy watching this one, so you will have great time watching it. And now comes the last one, which is Çilek Kokusu. In English we say Strawberry Smell, one of my personal favorite rom-com series. And the story revolves around Asli and Burak. Asli belongs to a very poor family. She's working in a bakery shop. On other hand, Burak belongs to a very rich family, and he is a big time playboy. So you'll get to see that Asli loses her job because of Burak. So their first meeting started with a fight. So she doesn't like him at all because of this. But she gets a work in boardroom where she meets Burak again, and eventually their love story begins where they both fall for each other. So it has enemies to lover vibes, jealousy scenes, and a very cute happy ending. So that's it for all. I hope you enjoyed watching part 1 list of Playboy Romance Turkish series. I'll be sharing part 2 list very soon. Also, let me know in the comment section what more topics you want me to discuss in further videos, which you never comment. So please comment. I'll be happy to read those comments. So happy watching.